Alright, Papa Bear here. Down in Kingsdown, Kent. That's where my parents live. In fact, this is Kingsdown right here behind me. And right now we are inside an old military rifle range. There's actually a picture of this area here that's all now beach. That used to show tents and everything until they remodeled all this. Or whatever, but this is the range, and this is actually I believe this is the 600-yard line right here. So I'm going to try and get up here without falling on my butt. Oh, he says. So this is 600, 500, 400, 300. The targets would have been all the way down at the end there, the butts. This is the beginning of the White Cliffs of Dover right here, and whatever. And we're gonna walk down this range and just look around. That sign saying it's still owned by the Ministry of Defense and all that stuff, blah blah blah. There's the seawall that's long since collapsed. But anyway, yeah, owned by the Ministry of Defense, but they've got a sign saying, you know, just be careful. It's a site of scientific interest, as they say, and we're not supposed to pick anything up. If you find anything, you're supposed to report it to the police. I guess all in the interest of health and safety. But anyway, yeah. Now I'll talk about the seawall now. Alright, out here at this seawall that's collapsed for the range. Now, if I remember rightly, I thought that, you know, I'm going to have to go look at some of my photographs from a couple of years ago. I think a little bit more this has collapsed since then. So anyway, it just shows the power of the ocean. Tide's out right now. Usually this is full of water and what have you. So it's still, I mean, it's fairly muddy. Not gonna find, I don't think you find anything relic-y here and what have you. So anyway, we'll walk along. Again, there's a nice view of the cliffs. See some good erosion right here, where the water's running down, cutting through into the chalk. Now those lines that you see running horizontal, they're all lines of flint nodules. In fact, there's a flint nodule right here. So that's a flint nodule. So that's what you see is those lines. And all those flint is basically fossilized like creatures and coral and stuff, I guess. Yeah. So each layer is kind of like a layer of the seabed, but that was all laid down. Very cool. Very cool. Anyway, all right, let's keep going. All right, just getting up to the 400. There's the cliffs again. You can see those horizontal bands of flint nodules. Of course, that's all the flint that, you know, cavemen out here used to make their weaponry. And trying to remember on the maps, this range was at least here in the 1880s, and I know it was used up until the point they were using 5.56 or 223, whatever you want to call it. So it's used for a long time. So anyway, but yeah, there's the view. Let's keep going down to the 654, down to the 300. All right, here at the 300, you can see where some of the cliffs collapsed there. I wouldn't say recently. I mean, it's been like this for a while. You can see it's pushed the fence right here too, and it collapsed. Up here, you can see some. I'm assuming gannets. Right about, let's see if I can figure out, they're right about there, nested. There's birds flying in everywhere. Anyway, that's looking back again. I think I'm being followed from both directions. So we'll keep going that way. Actually, real quick before we go that way, let's go look over here. We can walk to the edge of the seawall. There you go. Like I said, low tide. Now these pillars I think that the range originally went out as far as those pillars, but I can't be too certain. So anyway, see the pillars right there. I think they're on the maps. They show what they are on the maps. We'll have a look, but they go back to Victorian ages, I think. Whatever. So anyway, we'll keep looking, checking it out. Oh, over here, France. That's the English Channel. So there, the frogs are over there somewhere. All right, talk to you. All right, we're here at the butts. It's the far end. Now you can see all the way back. So all the way back there where we started, 600-yard line. There's the cliffs. Let's walk over here. There's your proof that this is the impact area. These ain't 303, these might be Martini, I don't know. But, not 303s. That should be 556, so we'll see what they are when we get them home. Anyway, this is the butts, and you got a coast continues on. Dover Castle's that way. You can see right there. And there you go. So that's the rifle range here at Kingsdown. I'll post photographs at the end and maps showing you and everything. It's kind of cool. A little bit of British military history. Long since forgotten by most people, I guess. Alright, great. Everybody have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.